If you don't finish this video, then you will never become successful. You can change your entire life in just 6 months and become the person of your dreams. You could live life on your own terms. You could travel anywhere and you can eat at all of the fancy restaurants and even retire your parents. And the only thing you need is just to get started. Around 4 or 5 years ago, I was $20,000 in debt, living in a basement apartment back in Denmark, and my mom lended me $1,500 to buy a mentor to learn high-ticket affiliate marketing, and then everything changed. I'm telling you right now, my mom saved my ass. And if you don't got a person like that in your life, then I got you. I have a free short 40-minute video that shows you exactly how I made $27 million in just 3 years and how you can automate 90% of it, how to choose the products, what products to choose, how to get buyers, the whole shebang, you name it, and even shows you how you can get me and my team to build it out for you. And the only thing I ask for you is to put in a little bit of work. If you can't even do that, go back to whatever life you have right now. But if you're ready to put in a little bit of work to change your life and the people around you,